Let's take a look inside of a fidget cube. Here we have some bearings, gears, and a lot of buttons. And this is how looks the basis. There we have a switch with 2 magnets, some springs, an iron plate for additional weight. Here you could see all components. This is smartphone LG G6, and let's turn it off and disassemble it. At first we take off the back plate. Here you could see the fingerprint scanner. Then we take away a lot of screws, and here comes the wireless charging module. That's it. Then we take out the main speaker. Then there goes a battery which is glued. And finally, we take the main board, but at first removing the SIM card slot. And here comes the main board. Those are 2 cameras. And the last part is Type-C charging slot. Now let's see what's inside of a usual measuring tape. As you can see, here is a coil, strong spring and a plastic arm which prevents the coil from rolling back. Now you can see the entrails of a humidifier. This is the cooling system, and let's try to plug it in while disassembled and see how it will work. As you can see, the only thing that works is LED lights, which shine pretty bright with different colors. Now you know what's inside of a humidifier. So, let's assemble it back. That's how it looked at the beginning. Let's take a look what's inside of Xiaomi new laptop. As you can see, here we have a large battery with a lot of connectors. Then there goes the RAM memory stick and a cooling system. If you ever wondered what's inside the JBL speaker, now it's time to take a look. At first we take off the shell and unscrew one cock. And here we have 2 massive speakers. We unscrew another cock, and here comes the powerful lithium battery. Right behind the speakers there's a main board. The speakers have a very large coils and magnets, that's why this device can be so loud. But those rear speakers are fake ones, and they work just like a plugs. That's all everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my Facebook and Instagram pages. All product links are in the description below. Feel free to check out my previous videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.